Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Read Daily English, the place where we turn complex English into simple, everyday conversations. I'm Emily.
And I'm Alex. It is absolutely wonderful to be here today. Emily, I've been looking forward to this recording all week.
Me too, Alex. You seem particularly charged up today. Did something special happen this morning?
Well, you know me, I'm a breakfast person. I had a massive meal. 3 eggs, butter toast, and a huge glass of cold orange juice. It was incredible. I feel like I can conquer the world.
I wish I had your appetite. I'm still on my second cup of coffee. But honestly, that energy is exactly what we need because today's topic is a big one. It's something we use in every single conversation.
I'm intrigued. What is it?
Today, we are going to learn how to express our opinions. Whether you agree, disagree, or just want to share your thoughts, we've got you covered.
Opinions are everywhere, aren't they? From what we should have for dinner to which smartphone is better.
Exactly. And for beginners, the best place to start is with the phrase, I think. It's simple, direct, and very common.
Right. Like, I think the weather is perfect today.
Perfect. Another one that's very similar but slightly more personal is I feel. We use this when our opinion is based on a feeling or an impression. For example, I feel that we should start the meeting earlier.
So I think and I feel are our go-to phrases for casual chats. But Emily, I've heard people say, in my view. Is that the same?
Great catch, Alex. In my view is just like I think, but it sounds a little more thoughtful.
Now, as a professional, I often need to give my opinion in business meetings or formal emails. What should I use then?
In professional settings, you want to sound more structured. The best phrase is, in my opinion. It signals to everyone that you have carefully considered the topic.
In my opinion, the new marketing strategy will be very successful. Does that sound right?
Spot on. You can also use from my perspective or as far as I'm concerned. These are slightly more advanced, but they make you sound very fluent.
As far as I'm concerned, that sounds very sophisticated. I'll definitely try to use that one.
This is where I struggle, Emily. I don't want to be rude, but what if I totally disagree with someone? I don't want to just say, you're wrong.
You're right to be careful, Alex. In English-speaking cultures, we value politeness. Instead of no, we use softeners.
Softeners? Like what?
Phrases like, I see your point, but, or I'm not sure I agree with that.
Let's try a real example. Emily, I think that working on weekends is great because it's quiet.
I see what you mean, but I feel that weekends are important for resting. See? I acknowledged your idea before giving mine.
That felt much better. It didn't feel like an argument, it felt like a discussion. I also like the phrase, I'm afraid I disagree. It sounds very polite.
Now, what if we are on the same page? What if we agree?
I usually just say yes or I agree.
Those are fine, but try adding some variety. Use exactly, I couldn't agree more, or you've hit the nail on the head.
You've hit the nail on the head. I love that idiom. It means you are exactly right.
Exactly. But here is the most important part for all our listeners. Always give a reason.
Ah, the magic word, because.
Yes, a strong opinion is always phrase plus opinion plus because plus reason.
Let me try a full one. In my opinion, everyone should learn a second language because it opens up new career opportunities.
Alex, that was a 10 out of 10 sentence. It was clear, professional, and well-reasoned.
One more thing, Emily. What if someone asks for my opinion on something I know nothing about, like a new movie I haven't seen?
That happens. Don't feel pressured to make something up. You can simply say, I don't really have a strong opinion on that. Or, to be honest, I'm not very familiar with this topic.
That's very honest. It's better than guessing. We've covered a lot today, Alex, from simple I think to advanced as far as I'm concerned.
I've learned so much. I feel like I can go into any conversation now and share my thoughts confidently.
That's the goal. And for our friends watching at Our Daily English, now it's your turn.
Yes, we have a challenge for you.
In the comments, give us your opinion on this topic. Is it better to live in a big city or a small village, and why?
Use the phrases we learned today. Use in my opinion or I think. And don't forget the because.
We will be reading and replying to your comments. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.
Share this with your friends who are also learning English. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep practicing and stay confident. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.